Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Leo placements. So this is your end of the month love reading, okay, and general reading. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page, okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And if you're interested na magpa-reading sa aking friend, just message lang po sa kanya pong FB page na Perception of Light. And yeah, don't forget to follow na rin, okay? And yeah, regarding naman sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, this is always available. And ang ating Evil Eye ring, okay? So, limited slots. Okay, so paunahan na lang. Okay, so message lang po ha kung may mga katanungan. Okay, let's start. Leo. Okay. Leo placements. Okay. General reading muna. Anong meron? Okay, anong meron sa inyo? Message. Two of Cups in reverse. The Empress in reverse. Relationship na napoprolong. Yes. Relationship na parang nag-end na, pero andun yung parang hinahabol-habol pa rin, trying to fix. So, hindi na focusan yung mga dapat focusan. No? Nandiyan yung delays pagdating sa buhay mo. Yeah. What else for Leo? Message, please. Okay. Some of you, there's issue pagdating sa pregnancy. Seven of Coins. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, some of you may na-expect in general. Pwedeng kaperahan, kaperahan yung iba sa inyo. Ang ine-expect. There is a delay. Okay, may delay po, mga Leo. Pwedeng may konting aberya lang na mangyari technically or yeah, sa mga papers. Specific po yun, ha? Okay, so there. Some of you are expecting tawag dito, an offer. Okay? So, from a liar. I'm sorry, from a liar. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na. Okay. Situation sa love ng mga Leo. The person on your mind, anong meron? Okay. The Five of Swords in reverse. The Empress. There's a connection here na walang balanse. Maybe hindi pareho yung focus or hindi pareho yung ginugusto nyo pagdating sa connection nyo na to. Pwede yung isa gusto niya na maging okay kayo, yung isa hindi. Walang balanse. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may Virgo or Taurus, air sign. Ang parang lagi na lang gumagawa ng paraan para maging okay. Or sabihin nating, itong person na to is mas okay ngayon. Okay? Mas pinipili niya yung sarili niya muna ngayon. Yeah, the Empress. Tingnan natin. Ano ba? Sitwasyon nyo bago matapos. No? Bago matapos ang December. Knight of Wands Universe. Ooh. Flirt. Yeah. The Knight of Cups. Yeah. This is like back and forth. No? Back and forth action. Okay. Pwedeng 1 minute nandyan. Maya-maya wala na. Like that. Okay? So, wala yung effort, wala yung focus pagdating sa sitwasyon dahil, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, hindi naman pareho yung focus ninyong dalawa. Okay? Yung isa, pwedeng laging nandyan, laging available, pero yung isa hindi. Mas gugustuhin na focus niya ay sarili niya. Pwedeng itong taong to yun. Okay? Someone is like open ang tawag dito. Option. Yeah. Pwedeng hindi lang ikaw ang pwedeng ini-entertain ng taong to. Ano bang emosyon niya towards you, Leo? The Queen of Wands Universe. Yeah, the Chariot. Ito actually, itong taong to, sabihin natin, nawala yung attraction. No? Pero, yung emosyon niya, nandun pa rin. For you. Yes. The Page of Cups. Gusto ko pa rin ito, pero, meron pa rin meron pa rin sabihin nating mga issue na hindi pa rin napapalagpas ng taong to. I don't know what. I don't know why. Okay? So, yun nga, pwedeng sa attraction rin. Yan, ganyan. Pwedeng nabawasan yung attraction. Parang ganyan. Or personality ang isang dahilan. Okay? Pero emotion, nandun pa rin. Yes. Wala pa rin nagbabago. So, next action niya towards you. Two of Swords, avoiding you. Yeah, Judgment. Avoiding a repeat with you. Yeah, that's why. They will avoid tawag dyan, a cycle. Okay? A repeat with you. Ayaw na nila nun. Hanggat maaari. Kung communication at communication lang naman, open sila. Pero yung pakikipagbalikan, avoid nila yun. Okay? Advice for you, Leo. Okay na to. Okay, itong ganito. Kung ikaw, Leo, ang may gusto pa na naisalba to, tingnan natin anong advice sa'yo. And the Three of Cups in reverse. And the Page of Swords. King of Cups, see? Oh, meron ikaw. Pwedeng ikaw nga ang may something pa sa person na to. Sila hindi. Okay? Ina-advise dito, know your limits. Huwag mong papakita emosyon mo. Okay? Kasi may emosyon meron. Pahabulin ka nito. Makikita kang weak ng taong to. So, huwag mong papakita. Kung gusto mo sila, huwag mo ipapaalam. Huwag mo nga habulin. Huwag mo ipakita. Okay? Huwag mo ipaparamdam sa taong to na gusto mong bumalik. Yes. Magmamatigas to eh. Okay? Ganun lang. Oo, ganun lang kasimple. Okay. Kasi, ito ang nakikita ko kasi sa kanya, they're okay. Without you. Okay? Okay na sila nang wala ka, Leo. Sa totoo lang. So, baka kawawain ka nito. no? Ayokong paasahin ka. Ayokong ipagawa sa'yo yung bagay na hindi naman dapat na, no? Ayoko sabihin sa'yo, okay, sige, magtiis ka dyan, hintayin mo, baka sakali. Ayaw natin nun, oo. Naghihintay ka na nga ngayon eh. Paghihintayin pa ba kita? Hindi na siguro, no? Okay? Well, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Yes. The reading can be reversed. Okay? Aries through Pisces. Aries, they love you. Taurus, they want a partnership with you. Gemini, questions, answers, yan. Answers, yan. Yan nakikita ko. Cancer, ayaw na ng toxic, ayaw na ng gulo. Leo, okay, they're stalking you. Virgo, hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Libra, unfinished business. Scorpio, hindi makapag-offer ng love. Sagittarius, they want a connection with you, a communication, as simple as communication, okay? Capricorns, a manipulative one. Okay? Aquarius, they're waiting, expecting, yan, invested sa'yo. Pisces, they want a repeat. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Leo placements. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you!